Hello, swing traders. This video is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy, sell stocks, options, futures, or any securities. The video and all contents are for educational and research purposes only. Please get the advice of a licensed financial advisor before investing your money in any financial instrument. Tonight, I'm going to go over how I set my charts up. Now, I don't use a bunch of indicators because a lot of new traders, they want to use a bunch of indicators and they load up their charts with a tremendous amount of indicators, and I did this in the beginning as well. And then I've settled down on just a few indicators that I've learned through other traders, day traders and swing traders, that has worked for me. So one of the main indicators, the two main indicators that I like using is the exponential moving average and full stochastics. As you can see in the upper left chart, EMA, exponential moving average. Now I set the chart to a 1 year daily, and the 20 EMA, the 50, and the 200 EMA are the three moving averages that I use. Now moving average, if you look at the red line, the 20 EMA, that's just a moving average for 20 days back, as well as 50 EMA stands for 50 days of the moving average, and the 200 is 200 days of the moving average. Now I use exponential moving average. There is simple moving average, the SMA, and you can go online and find out the difference, and the algorithms are used to within these indicators, but I really don't get into that because the charting software out now does all that for you. Now I just use the three EMAs, 20 and the 200. And also the full stochastics. Underneath the volume bars, see the full stochastics. Now I use the full stochastics just because the fast stochastics has a lot of whipsaw in it, I think. I like the full stochastics because it kind of smooths it out with the settings that I use, and this is the way that I've been taught through other traders as well. Now when you set up the full stochastics, you want to set up the 80 for being the overbought, the 20 setting to be sold. In the full stochastics, you have percent %K and percent %D. The percent %K I use for a 14 period, and the percent %D I use for a 3 period. And also the smoothing is set to a 3. Now, the way I use these indicators is I look for stocks that pull back to the 20 EMA or even the 50 EMA. And as you can see in September, the Dow chemical stock, DOW, pulled back to the 50 period moving average, and the stochastics was actually oversold. Now I'm going to go ahead and close out the video, and then we're going to go over some of entry and exit points of what I use to get into and out of stocks when I'm actually trading them to swing trade.